In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate around the system and how to manage your own personal account within the system. So if you look at the system here, you'll see that we have our easy to navigate dashboard. And one of the things to note on the left-hand side is all of our different navigation panels. And when you click on any of these items, it will take you to that specific section of the system. But now not everyone uses every element of the system, and so you can completely personalize your experience by pinning and unpinning the parts of your system that you do use. So if you don't use a help desk in your business, you can simply click on the pin over here and unpin that from your navigation. If you don't use affiliate marketing, you can also go ahead and unpin that. If you don't use blogs, you can also unpin that. So anything that you don't use regularly in the navigation panel, you can simply unpin it. And if you do want to access those, you simply click on more. You'll be able to see what you have unpinned over here, and you can easily repin those to your navigation panel as well. So that is one of the ways that we have made navigating and customizing your user experience a lot easier for you. Now we do also have a marketplace. So if you click on the marketplace section over here on the bottom left, you'll be taken to a marketplace of apps that we have available for you. So these are different apps that we have in the system that can also further customize your experience within the system. So you'll be able to go through each of these and choose which ones you would like to use and apply in your business. We then also have our setup button down here on the bottom left hand side, and this is your system setup. Now I take you through all of the different setup settings for each of the different parts of the system within their respective playlists. So I'm not going to walk you through absolutely all of these right now. We are going to get to a few of them in some future videos in this playlist, but for right now I'm just going to show you that this is where that is, and you'll be shown how to set up the various parts of the system correctly in their respective playlists. So that is how you can get here. I'm just going to navigate home by clicking on the home button over here. The next thing that you might want to navigate to is your website. So if you want to view your website and start editing and building out your website, you're going to click on view your website on the top left hand side over here. That is then going to take you to your page builder, and this I cover in much detail within the dedicated playlist for the page builder. So please go check that out so that you can start designing professional and high quality pages for your website. All right, so I'm going to navigate back to the admin area by clicking on the logo on the top left-hand side. And now I'm going to show you how to manage your own personal account. And to do that, you are going to come up here to the top right-hand side. And you'll see that we do have a few different buttons up here on the top right-hand side. The first one is our help button. So if you need to submit a support ticket to our team and you need help from us, something is wrong in the system and you need to tell us and get help, then this is where you're going to submit that support ticket. You will click on the support ticket. You will be able to send and review all of the tickets that you have submitted to our team here within the system. And the next thing that we have is our modes. So we have our light mode, which is currently activated. And then we have our dark mode, which turns it into this beautiful black version. I much prefer dark mode in anything I use. It's far more easy on the eyes. So this is one of the things that we have added to our system, is that you can choose between light mode and dark mode. So that's just a little fun extra personalization for you. You then have your own affiliate marketing section over here. So if you are an affiliate of the system, this is where you'll be able to access your own personal affiliate dashboard. You then have your wallet. This is where you'll be able to access any of your affiliate payouts. And then we have our notifications. Now I will show you how to set up notifications in a future video as well. Then we have our user profile. So this is your personal profile. And here is where you'll be able to manage all of the different details of your own account. So if you click on profile, here is where you'll be able to further customize any of your own details within the system. You can also go ahead and reset your password here, or send a new password link to yourself if you need to do that. Generally, if you've forgotten your password, you'll reset that through the login area. The next thing we have here when we click on our profile is our company details. So if we click on that, you can go ahead and customize any company details that you have here. Then the next thing that we have is our subscription details. So this is where you will manage your own subscription to the system. So you'll be able to see your subscription type and the total that you are paying each month, your subscription price, and all of that information. And if you want to edit or cancel your subscription, you'll simply click on edit over here. and you'll be able to update your subscription decisions. So you'll be able to choose which of these you would like to use. You would choose your billing period, whether you would like to change it to yearly or monthly, or you can delete your account. So if you click on delete your account, you'll be walked through the process of deleting your account. So you can delete your account, but you'll be warned that your system will be deactivated immediately and your data will be lost. There's no recovery. So if you do choose to delete your account, there's no way to recover any information that you have within the system. If there is a specific feature that's missing that you would like to have within the system, we encourage you to contact our support team and let us know what that feature request is. If something is missing, we want to provide it for you. Then you can also choose to keep your account. You can slowly back away from the ledge, say, actually, no, I'd quite like to keep my account. I don't want to change my mind. I've got the best system in the world over here, so why would I want to delete my account? And then you can go ahead and delete your account. And when you delete your account, your system will be deactivated and all of your data will be destroyed. So it's quite a big thing when you go ahead and delete your account. But that is how you can manage your subscription details within the system. The next thing that we have over here is our invoices. So here you will be able to view all of the invoices that you have for your own payments for the system. So you'll be able to view and download those invoices here. Then, of course, we can see our about information and we can log out. So those are the few things that we can do when it comes to managing your own personal account. So what I suggest you do is click around the system and get familiar with the different parts of the system, update your details, make sure that your subscription settings are correct, and just have a look around at what you've got. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up staff accounts in the system so that you can start adding your employees to the system. I'll see you there.